I'm Muhammad Umar. I'm from Sudan. I joined CMU 2 years ago as a student for the Master of Science in Engineering Artificial Intelligence. I joined CMU as a MasterCard Foundation Scholar.
I have studied Masters of Science in Information Technology, and I concentrated in machine learning and data science. And as I go forward, I plan to participate in the economic aspect of Africa problems and working directly into them, impacting policies and doing the analysis of Africa for better decisions or data-driven decisions, because we know in Africa most of the decisions are not based on data, and we have seen what the consequences are. So I really look forward to work in the data part of the data analytics part of Africa and contribute in data analysis and making a data-based decision.
My name is Yvette Mawano. Studied Masters of Electrical and Computer Engineering, and how I plan to use what I studied to impact the community is I plan to have my own company, and through that company I plan to have equipment that so short or in the market, and through that I'll impact, collect data, visualize data, and so I can use that to impacting the community.
My plans now, I think I've just concluded my studies in artificial intelligence. I've studied topics related to machine learning and the mathematical foundation of machine learning, and here at Carnegie Mellon we had so many courses about how do you apply all of these technologies in Africa and in the industry. And my plan is to inspire the new wave of digital transformation in Africa. Or it's not my plan, it's my hope to be able to be part of that.
Most of the challenge in Africa when it comes to data science and everything is data. So we don't have data. But on top of that, we don't have the cooperation of different stakeholders to get the data that we need to have. And also, most of the companies and most of the organizations found in Africa, they don't really believe in the power of data and big data. But now I want to show them what it means to be based on data and making decisions and become successful in what we do.
I would love to see a transformed workforce in Africa. I would like to see Africa, which is the youngest country on earth, to be, I would like for the youth of this continent to be able to capture their full potential. And I think that the answer is technology, to capture and fulfill the dreams of this gigantic workforce, very young and very passionate workforce that we have here in Africa. Building block of a knowledge economy is the education, and especially higher education. Institutions and partnerships like what we have here at Carnegie Mellon Africa, and the MasterCard Foundation's partnership with Carnegie Mellon Africa, I believe this is what's needed to push forward into this path of knowledge economy and digitally transforming the entire continent.
Education is one of the key to transform Africa, because as you progress in education, you'll try to see a different aspect, or you'll broaden your horizon into any problem that you have and coming to a solution. So once you progress, or once you have a better education, so you'll try to see a different direction and then get into the solution as effective and as effective as it can be. So education is one of the key factors.
One word I can encourage the fellow students is never give up. No matter how much challenging, no matter how much you feel you can't do it, don't give up. Just dream, continue your dream, and continue your inspiration, because the youth, Africa, the world is looking out for you.
Stay hungry, stay ambitious, and go for whatever you want to go for. And you can achieve more than what you can think of. So whatever you do, do it with passion, and put the work, put the effort, and be disciplined, and you can do whatever you want to do, and you can achieve whatever you want to achieve.